In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove reading pane in Outlook. If you're trying to simplify your inbox, protect your privacy while sharing your screen, or stop messages from being marked as read automatically, turning off the reading pane is a quick fix. I'll walk you through it clearly, and I'll include helpful context so you know exactly what to expect. First, open Microsoft Outlook. Make sure you're looking at your mail view where you see your folders and message list. If you're in Calendar or another area, switch back to Mail so the right options appear. Next, look to the top of the window for the ribbon, which is the bar with tabs like Home, Send, Receive, and View. Click the View tab. The View tab controls how your inbox looks and behaves, including what's visible on screen and how items are arranged. Within the View tab, find the section that manages layout options. You'll see a button labeled Reading Pane on the ribbon. This controls the preview panel, where messages open on the right or bottom of your inbox without launching a separate window. Click Reading Pane to open its menu. From the menu, select Off. As soon as you choose Off, the reading pane will disappear immediately. Your message list will expand to use the full width of the window, and emails will no longer preview automatically. This can help you focus on selecting only the messages you want to open, and it can prevent accidental marking as read when you click on a message just to select it. A couple of useful notes here. Depending on your version of Outlook, the reading pane options might appear slightly differently, but the View tab and the reading pane control are consistent in classic desktop builds. If you don't see the change, make sure you're in the Mail section and that you clicked the reading pane button on the ribbon, not a similarly named setting elsewhere. Also be aware that reading pane behavior can be folder specific. That means if you switch to another mail folder and still see the preview, you may need to repeat the same change there. This is normal and helps you customize different folders in different ways. If you ever miss the quick preview, you can return to the View tab, open the reading pane menu again, and choose the layout you prefer. But for a cleaner, more private inbox view, turning it off is a great choice. That's it, you've successfully removed the reading pane in Outlook. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.